Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you some of the causes why an engine will overheat. And here are some of the causes why overheating can cause an engine to stop running or even damage itself. But first, let's examine why engine overheats. When air is allowed to go inside the cooling system of an engine, it will start losing water and it will overboil the system. The excessive heat of not having enough water in the engine would stop the engine from running. It may even crack the engine block or other parts. When you have an engine that overheats, check the many items shown in this video, like for example, the recovery or the overflow tank. A little crack will overheat your engine because water will start coming out when the engine's getting hotter, and you will start losing water, and not enough water in the engine will overheat the system, and air will start joining inside of the cooling system. Check your water pump leaks, check your radiator leaking, check your recovery or overflow tanks from cracks, and also your top and bottom radiator hose. If they are cracking or leaking, replace them. Your radiator fins are leaking coolant. Also check your heater hoses going to your radiator or heater inside the dashboard. When they are leaking, it will overheats the engine. Replace water pumps that are leaking. A cracked cylinder wall will also cause overheating. It will start allowing coolant to enter the cylinder. When you have an engine that overheats, never add any coolant while it's still steaming. It may crack the engine block and render it unusable. Make sure for your safety, let it cool down, and only add coolant or water if necessary when the engine has cooled down completely. Don't destroy your engine.